Look at those lights. Every spark is a reminder that the slate is wiped clean. It's 2026, and most people are making resolutions they'll break by February. But you're looking for a revolution. For years, we've been told that a career means a commute, a cubicle, and a ceiling on your income. But the world has changed, and you haven't changed with it. You're leaving your life on the table. Right now, there's a massive wave in the health insurance industry. People need help. They need Medicare. They need ACA. They need a guide. I decided to be that guy. I traded the 9 to 5 for a laptop and a headset. I realized that helping people secure their health was my ticket to securing my wealth. You don't need a degree. You need a license and work ethic. You don't need an office. You need a why. As these fireworks fade, don't let your ambition fade with them. This isn't just a new year. It's the year you stop asking for permission to be free. Now, look at this. This isn't a vacation. This isn't a one-day dream. This is my Tuesday. I'm standing here in Puerto Rico, the island that raised my family, the island my grandma Margarita loved, and I'm working. That's the power of being a virtual health insurance agent. As long as I have Wi Fi and the heart to help someone on the other end of the line, the world is my office. In Puerto Rico, we understand the value of family and time. Why should you spend your best years stuck in traffic when you could be building a legacy from the sand? I'm promoting this lifestyle because I live the alternative and I'm never going back. I've packaged everything I know: the scripts, the leads, the licensing, the Medicare secrets. I'm not just selling a job, I'm selling the ability to wake up in a place like this and know your bills are paid because you provided value to others. The island is calling. Click the link on my bio to join the movement, and let's make your Sunday happen today. Look, the fireworks are over and the beach is waiting, but you can't get here without the right vehicle. It's time to stop watching live and start building it yourself. Go to partners.exosolutions/be virtual. I'm handing you the exact blueprint I use right now. Use code BeVirtual for 50% off at exosolutions.com off every single course. We're starting as low as 99 bucks. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. Start dreaming about the lifestyle and go get licensed. I'll see you guys at the top. Peace.